Nothing beats bacon. Bacon is a popular type of meat that comes from pigs. It is taken from the sides, back, or belly of the pig. The meat is often cut in thin slices and it can be fried, grilled, or microwaved. Bacon has a lot of fat in it. It has been called the food most likely to get vegetarians or people who do not eat animals to eat meat. People say everything tastes better with bacon. Some religions do not eat bacon because they believe it comes from an animal that is unclean. Because of this, bacon is also made using turkey or chicken instead of pork. Bacon dates back to 3,500 years ago when the Chinese would cook salted pork bellies. The salt helped preserve the meat so it could be eaten for a longer period of time. The first bacon processing plant was opened in England in 1770 during World War II. Americans were asked to save bacon fat so it could be used in the manufacturing of bombs. Bacon fat was used to make glycerol, which is an ingredient in explosives. 1 pound of bacon fat made about 1 pound of glycerol. This meat is actually addictive or habit forming. Bacon has a compound that produces a pleasing neurochemical response in the brain. It can be found everywhere today. Bacon is found in ice cream, coffee, chewing gum, and cupcakes. Smell of bacon is used in candles, lip balm, and even deodorant. Some people say bacon is healthy or good for you. It contains the vitamins B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, and B12. Bacon by the numbers. Americans spend more than $4 billion on bacon each year. An average person eats 18 pounds of bacon each year. There are usually 14 slices of bacon in a pack. There are 43 calories in one slice of cooked bacon. Okay, now that we've read the passage, let's take a look at the questions that you'll be answering from Nothing Beats Bacon. Question 1, answer the question using a complete sentence with an end mark and a capital. I've given you a sentence starter to help. How much bacon does the average person eat each year? Let's see. The average person eats 18 pounds of bacon per year. So I'm going to take this sentence starter right here and retype that into the blank. The average person eats. And now I'm going to put my answer here. 18 pounds of bacon in 1 year. I must remember to put a period because that's worth 1 point. Does it have a capital letter at the beginning? It sure does. Is it a complete sentence? The average person eats 18 pounds of bacon in 1 year? Yes, it is. So, kiddos, many students are getting points taken off because they're just simply filling in the blank and putting their answer here. So while your answer may be correct, please don't forget that the part that I'm really hoping you practice with this is restating the question to include part of the question in your answer. So I've given the sentence start for you. The average person eats, but I also need you to restate that or rewrite it in the box below.